On International Women's Day today, miseries and victimization of the Kashmiri women at the hands of Indian troops, police, paramilitary and agencies continue unabated in the occupied Kashmir. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of International Women's Day, thousands of women are among 96,181 people of Jammu and Kashmir who have been martyred by the Indian troops, paramilitary and police personnel since January 1989 till date. At least 682 women have been martyred by the troops since January 2001. The report pointed out that the unabated Indian state terrorism rendered 22,958 women widowed. The Indian forces personnel molested 11,256 women. All parties Hurriyat conference leaders have deplored that India is using the rape of Kashmiri women as a weapon of war to humiliate the Kashmiris and suppress their ongoing freedom struggle. Senior APHC leader Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the International Women's Day being celebrated today all over the world is meaningless for the Kashmiri women. He said the women in the occupied Kashmir continue to be killed, tortured, arrested and raped in broad daylight by the Indian troops. Legal Forum for Kashmir has launched a petition to seek justice for the Kashmiri women victims of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the LKF launched online petition on the website change.org on the occasion of International Women's Day being celebrated across the world today. The petition seeks release of Kashmiri women prisoners. Body of a 50-year-old woman was found today under mysterious circumstances in Poonch district of Jammu region. According to Kashmir Media Service, the body was found in an open field in Mender area of the district. The deceased was later identified as Shamim Akhtar, 50 years old. 2 persons were killed in a road accident in Srinagar. An ambulance hit 2 persons identified as Ali Muhammad Dar, 56 and Fayaz Ahmad Chopan, 48 in Parimpura area of the district. Anti-India demonstrations and other programs were held in Muzaffarabad and other areas of Azad Jammu and Kashmir on the occasion of International Women's Day today. Protest demonstration was staged in Muzaffarabad under the Pasbane Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir to draw the attention of international community towards the deteriorating situation in occupied Kashmir. Large number of people, mostly women, gathered at Burhanwani Chowk and staged a sit-in protest. Speakers at a seminar organized by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter in Islamabad today expressed serious concern over the atrocities committed by Indian troops on women in occupied Kashmir. The seminar, organized by APHC IIOJK at its office on the occasion of International Women's Day today, was presided over by the convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar. Prime Minister of Azad Jammu and Kashmir Sardar Tanveer Ilyas, while terming Jammu and Kashmir an internationally recognized disputed territory, has said that Indian government has no justification whatsoever to hold a G20 summit in the occupied Kashmir. Pakistan's Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has underscored the need of establishing a monitoring mechanism for crimes committed against women and girls in the territories being under foreign occupation, including occupied Kashmir, as to hold the occupation forces accountable. United Nations Human Rights Chief Volker Turk's comments on the worrying human rights situation in the occupied Kashmir have unnerved Narendra Modi-led Hindutva government in India. He said in recent months he had the opportunity to discuss the worrying human rights situation in occupied Kashmir with both India and Pakistan.